Let's jump right into it. Take any image you want. I am going to discuss all the tools. From top to bottom. Move tool, to move a part of any image. Rectangular Marquee tool. This tool draws rectangular selection outlines. Polygonal Lasso tool. Click around an object to surround it with a polygonal, straight-edged selection outline. Magic Wand tool. Photoshop's Magic Wand tool selects areas of similar color with a single click. Hold Shift to select more areas at the same time. Crop tool. Use the crop tool in Photoshop to crop an image and remove unwanted areas. Frame tool. New as of Photoshop CC 2019, the Frame tool lets you place images into rectangular or elliptical shapes. Eyedropper tool. Photoshop's Eyedropper tool samples colors in an image, so you can choose all the colors you want. Spot Healing Brush tool. The Spot Healing brush in Photoshop quickly removes blemishes and other minor problem areas in an image. Brush tool. The brush tool is Photoshop's primary painting tool. You can adjust the hardness of the brush in the left corner. Use it to paint brush strokes on a layer.